We've made it. Final episode, season 8, 44 episodes. Have a great day. Listen to this advice. Make notes on what you're going to do, and most importantly, put it into practice.
Well, I am at the moment in Maryland, on the eastern shore, specifically the Chesapeake Bay. And if you hear a low hum in the background, it's because the pool men are officially de-winterizing the pool. I'm actually based in New Orleans, Louisiana. Started to sense the direction that city was heading with the crisis. Decided to take this chance to come up and be with my family. Not unlike you, Mark. It's been 2+ months now living with my family, but it has been, I wasn't aware of this at the time, but I think I fell into really good timing and positioning, but follow the vacation rental path. In the early days, it was just getting started. Now, even despite the fact that it has blown up, it's still at the very, very nascent stages. And now well, this is actually a really good tip for people who are thinking about getting started. Work in a destination that you love. That is the core of vacation in general. You need to really love the place. And if you don't love the destination where your vacation rental is located, you can't communicate that juju to guests. So it lacks the luster in that sense. So step one, make sure it is a destination you really love, you want to share with folks. So in choosing a destination that you really love, that's a great start, but also be firmly rooted in the legal situation. Because as vacation rentals have emerged over the last few years, certain destinations have become way less friendly than others. And what I wouldn't want to see is somebody investing a bunch of time and energy and money into a vacation rental business only to learn that vacation rentals are illegal in that destination. Or
how can they find that?
Yeah, head on over to vrmb.com/blog. You'll see a couple things. You'll see a post, part of a new series that we're publishing like right now. I just published part 1. I'm getting ready to publish part 2. Repeat guest. All you need to do is begin filling up the calendar and you will have reached something of a sweet spot. The dependency on an OTA has become exploited right now. If you didn't get paid by Airbnb, if they universally across the board decided to refund guests and that was at your cost, that hurts. It's the biggest, most organized industry association that we've got. So we must utilize all of them possible to get where we want to go. So the cottage industry is just this new kind of way of thinking about the future. My hope is that it can act as a magnetic north for everybody who's listening to say to themselves, yeah, that is what I represent. That is what I want to achieve. And when we have a gigantic group of diverse vacation rental managers all around the world who want one core thing the same, that's when the community really begins to take shape. That's when we can all start singing as a unified voice.
Have you had on the to watch list for a while now, or is there anyone that you've recently watched that you could recommend that's not Tiger King?
I've got 2. No, fuck Tiger King. I'm currently in the middle of Chapo. That's the story about Chapo Guzman, the drug czar.
I'll listen to it even better. Matt, thank you. Thank you so much, buddy, for doing this. Really, really appreciate it.